Welcome to RN Talks platform. RN Talks is registered under Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, Government of India, and I am Ranjita Nath Ghai, founder RN Talks. RN Talks is getting the first ever Global Blogging Awards 2021 for you. The blogs that we are accepting will be in English or Hindi languages only. No other foreign languages will be accepted. No pornography blogs will be taken in, no gambling blogs or any blogs dealing with any controversial, sexist or racial topic will be entertained over here. We are taking in sponsorships. And we have got two slabs for sponsorships. One is the standard listing and second is the premium listing. Standard listing being for 1000 rupees, premium listing being for 5000 rupees. The standard listing gets one blog entry free, one vote power free, will get a standard listing on our blog free, permanent DF link free, exposure to thousands of visitors and the traffic that is coming free. Getting a gift hamper worth 5000 plus rupees for your blog. Okay. Now coming to the premium sponsor, the premium sponsor will be having one blog entry, disposition to 2 votes, a surprise gift worth 10,000 rupees, premium listing on RN Talks page, permanent DF link and exposure to thousands of visitors. Your logo will be put there. We'll be listing your blog on the awards page as well as the surprise gift of 10,000 worth. Now these surprise gifts are for all the premium and all the standard blogger sponsors that are going to be joining us. There is no competition in this. If you join us as a sponsor, you get it. Now you will be asking me about the voting part. Voting for RN Talks Blogging Awards 2021 will be taking place in 2 phases. The first phase is public phase and the second phase is the sponsors phase. In public phase, it is open for all your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, your family, your friends, your bloggers. Anybody can vote for you. One person is equal to 1 vote and can vote for only 1 blog. If you do more than 1 blog voting, then the IP address as well as the email addresses are going to be tracked and those votes will be nullified. There will be a 2-way authentication process. Once your vote are verified, only then they will be registered with us on completion of the verification. Please do not make use of black hat techniques and use temporary emails as these are not allowed. On being caught, those votes coming from these kind of black hat techniques or temporary mails will be again nullified and they won't be taken into account. Now coming to the second phase of voting, that is the sponsors voting. Both these sponsors, the standard and the premium, can nominate one blog, okay, or self-nominate their own blog, or if they don't want to nominate anybody, that's up to them. Okay, the standard sponsor gets 1 vote equivalent to 5 points. The premium sponsor gets again 1 blog entry. You can nominate yourself, you can nominate somebody else, or you can, if you don't want, you don't nominate anybody. But you will be getting 2 votes, that is when 1 vote is equivalent to 5 points. So yours is going to be 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So you can, if you are entering your own blog, then you can definitely give 1 vote to yourself and 1 vote you have to compulsorily give it to any other sponsored blog or any other blog that we have chosen. Coming up to the breakup and weightage of mark. Each weightage, 10% weightage, 10% weightage will be given to the public votes. So any blog getting the highest amount of votes will be given 10 marks from our side. The second highest 9, third highest 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in descending order likewise. Okay. The same goes for the sponsors vote. 10% weightage has been given to the sponsors vote also. The highest blog getting the highest vote over there will be given 10 from our side. Then 9, 6, 7, 8 respectively as the hierarchy of the blogs remain. I have already told you before, and let me tell you that again. The registrations on the page are on first come first serve basis on the voting page. So the faster you register, the higher your blog will be placed. Now you will be asking me, if 10% is public, 10% is sponsors, then what happens to the next 80%? Okay, the next 80% is the jury. The jury has the next 80% in their hands. So even if you don't get so much in public votes, or you don't get much in sponsored votes, there is nothing to worry about. Jury has 80 points and jury will be looking into each and every blog that is coming in. Okay, and the jury has its own criteria for judgment. Jury will be judging you upon engagement rating, like what is the engagement rate of your blog, what kind of a content quality you are putting in, is it okay, is it satisfactory, is it awesome. Like I told you before, we are not going it for any controversial content over here. Then your account activity. Do you publish on a daily scale? Do you publish fortnightly? Do you publish at random when you want to and when you don't want to? Do you go absent for 1 year or 2 months and then suddenly wake up? So what is your publishing rate? Is there any stability? Is there any regular publishing going on? That is what we'll be checking over there. Then your writing style, obviously, how SEO friendly is it? How are you using very difficult language? Is it of any use to the user? All these things will be seen over there. Then website design. Is your website very jarish? Is it following the Google SEO techniques, whatever is needed for website design? How easy it is to move between your menus? Is it user friendly? Is it self-explanatory? All these things will be seen. Then your account should be a non-fake account. Many people use these black hat tactics, and they make fake accounts, fake web pages. But remember, we are going to be going into the depth of everything and then looking and moving from page to page, menu to menu, checking your silos and everything. Okay, so don't make use of any black hat techniques over here. Now many people have also asked me, can we promote our own blog? Yes, definitely you can promote your own blog. We would like you to do that. The more the merrier, and your friends will only be able to support you if you promote it. Okay, so feel free to promote this on your website, on your blog, on your Facebook page, social media, Instagram, wherever, WhatsApp. Ask people to vote for you and tell them that you have taken part in RN Talks Blogging Awards 2021 and that they should vote for you. You should be doing that. Okay, and anybody, if he has a media connection and is able to get the media also, then you have a little extra surprise gift from us. We have our own media, but then who doesn't like more? Hai na? So make use of these facilities that we have given to you. If you have any other questions that you need to be asked, feel free to contact us on our contact page. Our phone numbers are there. Email us, ask us directly. We'll be answering all your questions. We maintain transparency in our system. Like I already said, We are approved by MCA, Government of India, so there is absolutely no we are not going to be playing behind the back. Everything is out in open and very transparent for you to watch and see. And once you have all registered, we'll be creating a group for you where we can keep you updated with whatever is happening in the group or in the blog. So with that, I'll end this, and looking forward to maximum participation, and may the best blog winner win this contest, Iron Talks Blogging Awards 2021. And yes, there is definitely going to be a big prize waiting for the winner at the end of it. Remember, we are going to be choosing from the best of the best. That is why there's so many filters over there. So cheers and all the best from Iron Talks. Ta-ta.